Ariana, do you have a question? Do you need any help preventing you from being quiet? Okay. Do you need any help, Neil, preventing you from being quiet right now? Do you have a question? I will pull up the problem and show the work in just a minute. Once everyone's been silent for 3 minutes, I will attempt to do some practice problems. But first, it has to be quiet enough in here for people to work. Yes. No, I can't. Not right now. Yes. Those will be the answers to the riddle. Yes. Great job, Riley. Okay, raise your hand if you have a question. Yes. Oh, just a minute. I can't right now. Ariana. All right. Nobody talk. This is what you do. You flip your paper over. Ready? Did you do that? Yeah. You look at the first box. It says number 1. You solve it. All right, ready to go? You're quiet. Anybody? Jamie, you probably remember. If you have a question, like I said, in 3 minutes, I will write the problem up here and I will show the work. But first, we gotta get silent. Riley, I'm hearing your voice. When you're stuck on number 1, as we are sitting here in silence. If you turn to page 134, example 2, letters A and B look very similar to this problem. I would read B first, but Ariana. So this is number 1. Look. So you leave the X in the middle. You cancel out everything else. So I highlight it because I'm gonna leave it there. The opposite of subtraction is addition. So I add 4 here, canceling it. I also add 4 to the right of the symbol and to the left of the symbol. And that is your answer. Number 1, done. I'm taking people who have their hands up, Abby. Okay, I'm gonna skip it. Good job. Nobody's talking. All right, fast forward to number 8, and this is multi-step. So again, I'm gonna leave the X alone. I highlight it and I leave it right there. I have to cancel out the adding 4 and the multiplying -5. The first thing I will cancel out is +4. It's the exact same thing. I'm going to subtract it. I have to subtract it on both sides of the symbols. So I subtract it way over here and way over here. You guys, if you have a question, so does everybody else. Please stop your conversation back there. I have to move your seats. We got Ava. Okay, so I subtracted 4, and now I have, this is -5 times x. The opposite of times is divide. I will divide by -5, and again, I have to do it in all 3 parts. So this will be a +4. Since I divided by a negative, I have to flip both symbols. Oh, actually flip it. Now, what happens when you have this like 3-part compound inequality? When you flip symbols, it ends up being in the wrong order. It should be listed lowest to highest. So I'm going to flip everything around. I'm going to put the -4 on the left. The x is more than the and less than positive 4. And that is number 8. Yes, that was your 9 next. Did you get your Did you get yours yet? What number are you looking for? Number 9. Please raise your hand and don't call out. It was a little silly. Okay, so this time we have an OR problem. You just solve them separately. Divide by -3, divide by -3, flip the symbol. Divide by 6, divide by 6, flip the symbol. And here's your answers. You just, with or, you don't have to think so much. It's like you have 2 problems in one. Yeah. Yes. Number 9. Yes. Yeah. If you're done with it today, just sit tight with it, and I'm gonna select it tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah. Those look tricky. I'll answer your question when I'm done with this one. So here's what I'm leaving alone. I'm leaving the x there. I'm going to cancel this 2 out. No, it's a positive 2. Most of you guys, not most of you, some of you guys are really struggling when there's a subtraction sign after a number. You keep adding it. Look in front of the number. That is a positive 2. You subtract it. Subtract it in all 3 parts. So that's -30 less than or equal to -5x less than or equal to 15. And this is multiplication in here. And the opposite of multiply is divide. So I will divide -5. And because I'm dividing a negative, because I'm writing a negative number under a fraction mark, I have to flip symbols. Now this is in the wrong order. It's not supposed to be a higher number over here and a lower number over here. It should be like the number line, lowest to highest. So I'm going to rewrite it. I have to be careful. It's a whole skill practicing rewriting. I write the -3. The -3 is supposed to be less than x. So I have -3 is less than x. And it's also x is less than 6 or equal to.
What was the point of flipping it if they just went back how it was the original one?
This would have actually been x is less than -3 had we not flipped it. And you can't be less than -3 and greater than 6.
Okay.
If you don't flip, it comes out false. It's a contradiction. Technically, this is right, Kaden. Like, this is a true statement. X can be more than -3 and less than 6. It's just in our coordinate plane, we put negatives on our graph, right? So, like, by hand, I wouldn't even mark this wrong. But on a standardized test, they will. They will not accept that way. Oh, it shows it this way and this way?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
They see everything in Portland.
Oh, look at that cafeteria and fire. No, cafeteria has a +3 and -6. Alright. So this means it did not happen in the courtyard. Should not even happen in the courtyard. No, we're gonna mark this one off, which was courtyard. So Bella Blush did not meet her homework in the courtyard.
Oh, that's the answer.
We're trying to figure out where her homework is, not where it's not. It's not in the courtyard.
Oh, shoot.
I'll take
Right.
some math off.
No, I don't. Sorry.
Probably just the math off.
No conversations. You've been pretty productive. I've gone through like 3-word problems. I've gone through like 4 other problems. This is one of our most productive 7 periods. Let's stay with it. Let's keep working right until announcements. I'll take questions, but you guys gotta go to quiet. Kaden.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah, I'm sorry I can't write your time. Disrespecting the class. Hopefully you get right after school. Good. Just wait till you're done so people can hear. Don't move.
Attention seniors, wanted to run for homecoming course. There will be a brief informational meeting on Tuesday, September 24th, right after school in room 3110. Also,
Stop talking.
attention all PAM High School National Honor Society members. There will be a meeting today, directly after school, in the media center. All members are expected to attend. Lastly, the Interact Club will have its first ever meeting today at 2:30 at the 20110 in Meeting Class. Have a great day, and as always,